Hi guys, welcome to Gold Beauty channel. Let's start. Using the fingertips, massage the depression in front of the ear. Using your fingertips, massage your muscle of the head upward to top of the head. Scalp massage is very important to stay younger, stay beautiful, or anti-aging. Tuck your lips inside your mouth without mouth corners. You can support with your fingers like this. Don't forget about taking a breath to your nose, it's very important. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel now. And don't forget to like. Close your mouth and stretch your cheek area with your balloon. Do more, the more results you will see for sure. The most important thing is doing daily. Let's try balloon exercise again. Balloon bows upper. Balloon bows lower. Now let's try to move the balloon clockwise. Let's keep the balloon movement. Using your fingertips, massage your lower cheek area outward. And you can move your hand outward. Using your fingertips, massage your cheek area in a pinching motion gently to improve blood circulation in the skin. Let's relax your shoulder and neck and take a breath through your nose. Massage your muscle of the head in a lifting and circular motion. Massage the side of neck downward gently. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye.